Meet the Cropilot 70 horsepower tractor, a fusion of innovative design and sheer power. Under the hood, our tractor boasts a robust 70 horsepower engine optimized for challenging terrains and demanding tasks. The four-wheel drive mechanism ensures consistent traction, even in the most unpredictable conditions, making sure no patch of land remains untouched. But power isn't the only ace up our sleeve. Precision is key in modern agriculture, and with Cropilots, you get exactly that. Our advanced hydraulic system allows for fine-tuned operations, whether you're plowing, seeding, or harvesting. One of the standout features is its economical fuel consumption. Designed for long hours in the field, this tractor ensures you get more done on less fuel. This is not just an advantage for your wallet, but a nod towards sustainable farming. Maintenance? We've got it covered. The Cropilots tractor is engineered to minimize wear and tear, resulting in fewer maintenance intervals. When maintenance is needed, our streamlined design ensures that parts are easily accessible, reducing downtime. At its core, our tractor offers what every farmer seeks: reliability. With Cropilots, you're not just purchasing a machine, you're investing in a partner that will stand by you, season after season. Choose Cropilots. Choose excellence in farming.